POV, you're diving with marine biologists in Singapore's waters. I'm here with marine biologists from the National University of Singapore and their volunteers in Singapore's southern waters, near Pulau Hantu. Because who wouldn't want to dive in Singapore? Unlike many other parts of Southeast Asia, Singapore is not known as a scuba diving hotspot. Why? Because the waters around here actually look like this. And this. But don't let the murkiness fool you. There's actually a lot of life in Singapore's waters. Over 250 species of hard coral have been recorded in Singapore. That's over a third of the global number. Singapore's waters are also home to plenty of marine creatures, including uni, colourful sea slugs, dancing butterfly fish, and critically endangered turtles. In 2011, a sea creature thought to be globally extinct, the Neptune's cup sponge, was rediscovered in Singapore's waters. More things could be discovered under a new research effort announced on October 28 by the National Parks Board. The Comprehensive Marine Biodiversity Survey, the second one since 2010, will make use of new tools, such as these autonomous reef monitoring structures, to learn more about life underwater. These are essentially stacks of plates that mimic the complex structure of a coral reef. While the most beautiful part of a reef tends to be on the surface, life can also be found within the reef structure. By deploying these structures in Singapore's waters, scientists can learn more about the other creatures that live within the coral, including small fish, sea slugs, or tiny crabs. And best of all, they would not have to remove wild coral to study life within. What treasures will they discover?